Green grass whispers secrets, birds sing in perfect tune. Sunshine kissing petals in the meadow's magical swoon. Wind dances through the daisies, butterflies take flight. Crickets strum their lullabies, turning day into night. In the meadow we will wander, where the wildflowers grow. Every step a gentle wonder, in this paradise we know. Streams weave tales of wonder, rocks hold ancient lore. Rainbow dreams and starry nights, nature's vibrant core. Where the deer drink deeply, and the fox find their way, surrounded by the melody of a timeless sunny day. Echoes of the forest rush through open fields, hidden paths and secret glades, a world that gently heals.